Hey guys, this is Shamik and ShamTech HD. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Mozilla Firefox faster. Let's get started. So all these tweaks to Firefox to make it faster are occurring on the latest stable build of Firefox I have, which is Mozilla Firefox 25. And we're going to have to go into about:config to do these. And this is a clean install. I just installed it to show you guys. So about:config, enter. It'll give you a warning. It's your preference if you want to check or uncheck it. It doesn't really matter. Just go ahead and click I'll be careful. And you get a lot of let's see here, letters. So to make it simple, there are a few of these that we need to change. And as you can see here, some of them are number values, some of them are true or false, etc. And we need to change those to make it faster. So firstly, for Firefox to load pages a little faster, we need to enable something called pipelining. So to do this, you would pretty much type in network.http, and then of course .pipelining, and you would hit enter, and you get about, what are these, 10 entries. And the first one, double click it, and from false it's now true. So this is good. This is progress here. And the next thing we're going to do, the next command we change is http.proxy.pipelining. And we do the same thing here. There should be only one, and you just double click it, change it to true. Okay? And then we're going to go to network.http.pipelining.max requests, which is the amount of times the pipelining can access the website or can ask for the information that's on the website. So here, it's really up to your preference, really, but I prefer, at least from my experience, I think that changing this value from 32. So you double click it, and when the number value comes up from 32, just change it to 50 and press OK. This should make Firefox significantly faster, but we're not done yet. There's more. So the next thing is that when let's say you type up google.com or youtube.com and you press enter, Firefox will delay the website. It'll load the website, but it'll delay it for a few seconds or a few milliseconds even, depending on how fast your computer is, until it shows you the information. So we're going to change that so that it doesn't delay at all. So it just immediately shows you the information, what's on the page. So to do this, there's no value for this. We're going to have to make one. So anywhere really on this page, right click on new, and then click on integer, which is the middle option. Once you click on integer, type ng layout, which is one word, and then dot initial paint delay. And I know this may be sounding a little weird, but just go with me. It'll make Firefox way faster. And once you type this up here, go ahead and click OK. And then it'll tell you, okay, integer, right? We clicked on integer. What value is this integer going to be? And go ahead and put this to 0, meaning how long is it going to delay? It's going to delay for 0 seconds, and it will just immediately show you the website once it's loaded. Go ahead and click OK. As you can see, it's been set here. And then, depending on how slow or fast your computer is, Firefox's animations may be lagging a little bit. For example, when I click on new tab, it didn't lag for me, but slower computers might have it lag a little bit when I click X or when I make a new tab. If you want to reduce some of the lag there, just make it a little bit more snappy. Then in about:config, you can go ahead and search for browser.tabs.animate, which pretty much slows down or disables the animations of Firefox. So here it says true. This isn't really going to help you that much if you're on a fast computer, but once again, if you're on a relatively old or slow computer, this will definitely help you. Double click it and change it to false. And lastly, this is network prefetching, which I know that Google Chrome does this by default, but I don't think Firefox does. So in about config, we'll have to search for network.prefetch and then a hyphen next, and as you can see, it's already there. And if this is true, like it is on mine, then this is a very good thing, because it's already doing this like what Chrome does, which is that pretty much loads content so when you're on a website and there's different links, Firefox starts loading the content before you click on the link. So if this is enabled by default and you see it says true, that's good, don't change it, you're pretty much done here. But if it says false, go ahead and double click it, change it to true, and you'll be done. The last step is to pretty much exit out of Firefox and then open it up again. And if you want to make it your default browser, you can go ahead and do that. But Firefox should be significantly faster. And to prove that our results, at least our results are going to be coming, as you can see here, the animations no longer exist. When I click on a new tab, close it, it just, boom, does it. There's no more, like, sliding, which is a little less, appealing, but it will make your computer faster if you are on a relatively slow or old computer. And there's no, when it comes to the other stuff we did, like reducing the delay, the pipelining, it really depends on which computer. This computer has an i5, so it's not going to make that much of a difference. Maybe a few seconds. You might notice it on a few heavy websites, but for older computers, it will definitely help it. And this will work on most versions of Firefox. I know this works on any version of Firefox from 2009, 2010 to 2013, which is when this video is made, because I've been doing this ever since I downloaded Firefox, which is 3-4 years ago. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. You just saw a few ways to make Firefox significantly faster. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, feel free to give it a like, subscribe, stuff like that. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.